So hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. SumoRockLuna here. And for today's video, we will be unboxing a art toy from Popmart. And this is the labubu version, which is the monsters Maschinen Krieger by Kow Yokohama. Alright, so just to give you a short information or the meaning of labubu. Labubu is a mischievous elf-like character with pointed ears, serrated teeth, and a playful expression. Alright, so she's a member of a series of monsters created by Hong Kong-born artist Casing Long. Alright, so this kind of art toy is the one that we have right now, the monsters M.A.K, or so-called the how do you call this one, the Popmart the Monsters X Kow Yokohama Ma.K series, the blind box version. Alright, as you can see. So you have, if you'll buy the set in the Popmart website or to other sellers, for the set, you will get 12 pieces. Alright, it will show at the box, at the back of the box of each boxes. And it's either you will get one secret labubu pop art or a art toy. Alright, so big shout out as well to Planet of the Capes, Sir Jom Indanan, for this awesome figure. So guys, this is from Japan itself. Alright, so there you go. So let's check out what we got from the blind box. And please do check out Planet of the Capes at 2nd floor at Timber Toy Store, and as well his Facebook page, Planet of the Capes. Alright, so the box itself is 10 out of 10, guys. Alright, just like I mentioned, at the back or at the side of the box, you will see the different labubu monsters that you might get on the one set that I mentioned. Alright, so this one is a blind item. I opened it already, or they already opened it. So this one is the one that I selected. Alright, so this is one of the figure as well, the S.A.F.S Dark Steel. That actually, guys, I saw this one, this kind of art toy is very awesome. Alright, so what we got is the pink version. Okay, let me just put this one here. Here we go, guys. This is the pink version of the labubu S.A.F.S prototype. So this is the Flamingo based on the S.A.F.S prototype. Alright, so this is it. Up there. This one, let me just focus it. It's very small there. Alright, so there you go. Look at that. So it's a limited articulation, guys. Don't expect too much articulation because not all of the art toy has a basic articulation. Alright, just so you know. Okay, so there you go, guys. So this is a Flamingo series, and this is all pink, as you can see here. Alright, there's a little bit of like a smoke tint. Alright, there, that you would see labubu inside. Okay, so what I can see here, it has a number 5. Hold on. There you go, guys. A number 5 on each shoulder pad, left and right, and then a number 24 at the back, which is the, I think this is the engine. All right, you can see the throttle, exhaust. All right, then the arms, this is the only articulation there. A little bit of up and down. Same goes on the left side. So this is the blaster. Okay, very slick, not that heavy, very light, awesome details. And you would see as well some indications here. All right, the caution, everything. The legs, so far it's permanent. You would not be able to how do I call it? You would not be able to have it up and down or forward or backward. All right, so this one you can open this there. Okay, it on the top of the actual hood, it has the number 5, as you can see as well. Pretty awesome finish, guys, for this pop art. And this is how it looks like when you remove the helmet for Labubu. There you go, guys. Up, let me focus it there. Awesome. All pink as well. The original color of Labubu is color brown. Alright, so this is the Flamingo. Look at that. Pretty cute and awesome. So there you go. You can put it back, or you can display it without the actual cap itself, or the hood of the mech suit. Okay, so overall, guys, it's a 10 out of 10. No scratches, no paint chips. Very simple, very detailed for the pop art collection of the Labubu. For this one, the Monsters X Kow Yokohama Ma.K series. Alright, look at that. So if you are a art toy collector, so probably this is a must-have. It depends on each collector's taste. Okay, but for me, I just like it. It's all pink with the number 5 on it. So there you have it, guys. Just a quick review on this Labubu pop art, the Monsters X Kow Yokohama Ma.K series for the blind box. Alright, so shout out again to Planet of the Capes, Sir Jom, thank you so much, and Timber Toys, thank you so much as well. So there you have it, guys, the Flamingo S.A.F.S series of the Labubu blind box. Okay, hope you enjoyed this quick review of the art toy from Popmart, the Monsters X Kow Yokohama Ma.K series, the blind box. Okay, so SumoRockLuna out. Thank you so much and happy collecting, guys. Bye. Yep. Yeah.